books about faces.
You know what? I like what you've done with the place. It's different.
Well, you know what they say, you can never have enough time.
Come on, let's get to work on this flux capacitor design.
Okay, let's have a look. Great Scott, Marty. The flux generator looks like it's missing some key components. Are they completely gone?
Take it easy. This is a multi-body part. They're probably just hidden. In SolidWorks 2013, show hidden bodies makes it easy to make them visible again, and without hunting through the feature tree.
Well, maybe they were hidden because they were causing performance problems in the assembly. You know, I had that problem on my 486 all the time.
It's not a problem with SolidWorks. In SolidWorks 2013, it puts you in control. With the new graphics property and assembly visualization, you can easily identify which parts impact the graphics performance the most. So focusing on only the problem parts is clear as crystal.
Wow, that's really fantastic, Marty. But you know what? We need to get to work on detailing the drawings. You know, how about we take a look at this, the solenoid cap and detail that one. Hey, come on. There we go. All right. Hey, what are those notes doing there?
Doc, those are markups from e-drawings that were added to the drawing file. In fact, my principal, Mr. Strickland, he gave me this floppy disk. It has all the review notes from drafting class that I can insert as well. Somewhere. You know, those markups here just makes it easy to adjust any issues all in one location.
That's amazing. Well, you better get going and create some section views to get Strickland off your back and make sure we can get this design fabricated.
That's not a problem. With the section expert in SolidWorks 2013, I can whip out those in just a couple of clicks. Click the section tool, tab to change orientation, and auto-flip means I don't have to worry about which side I place the view. Even complex sections are just as quick. I can add bends and lots of geometry on the fly. Adding radial, single, or notch offsets are just as easy. Pick where the offset starts and ends, and then snap to the offset location. And that's it, Doc. All done. And the best bit? I didn't have to create a sketch at all.
Great Scott, Marty. That section expert is clearly a cut above anything else I've ever seen.
We can do this with the new revision cloud tool. With all these shape options, drawing changes will no doubt be clear and concise.
Outstanding. Every designer should be on cloud 9 with those capabilities.
Well, this design is looking okay so far. What else have you got for me?
Well, Marty, I was taking a look at that retrofit design of the vehicle you came in. And it wouldn't have been as easy to sort out with the structure without the new support for snapshots in any document. I mean, take a look at this, it's amazing. Not only does it adjust the screen view, but what's being displayed on the screen as well.
Right, they even revamped the view orientation dialog to integrate snapshots and many other features like custom views and viewports. That makes it convenient and always accessible.
Absolutely. And get a load of this. When I was looking at the frame for the retrofit, I came across a new sub-modeling simulation capability in 2013 as well. It automatically takes the loads, boundary conditions of the study, and applies those to some subset of the design for a more in-depth analysis. So for massive structures with complex loads, it's really easy to zero in on the local areas to evaluate aspects like welds or bolted connections. You can even add additional features or parts to the sub-model to easily evaluate different local design concepts.
Hang on. What happens if this design changes, you know, the full model?
Well, that's not a problem. This sub-model is parametric. So when you modify and rerun the full model, those loads and boundary conditions will update on the sub-model as well. Now take a look at this. Did you see how quick that was and easy to mesh and solve the model? Imagine trying to solve that with the level of detail on the full model.
Can't up. That's heavy.
And it better not be. This has got to be as light as possible.
You know what, Doc? I looked at this subframe as well, and I saw some pretty cool tools. You know, this cutlass automation with a 3D bounding box, it automatically captures cutlass properties, which reduces the time to detail the weldment structures. So description, length, width, and thickness are automatically generated. And we can see that here in the item properties. So for gussets, end caps, you know, the description even includes the dimensions. And look at the cut list. You know, it's there, ready, all the detail is complete. And if you look at this drawing, you can see that very same cut list as well.
Well, we're well on the way to getting you back to the future. And speaking of that, I thought I'd use 3D VIA Composer 2012X to show how you're going to return. You know, using the new support for multiple cameras, we can track the action as you head down the street. We can create shots from any angle, as well as adjust the camera or target position at any stage. Now, the flux capacitor should kick in just as you reach those light posts, so avoid taking out the building on the corner. But for some extra polish, we can also adjust camera views along the timeline of the video, and that provides some truly stunning footage of your departure.
You know what? I like your idea, but why would you pick a road with a building at the end?
Oh, don't worry, look, okay, just to be safe, you'll notice I've timed the return of the trip to take advantage of some natural energy source to give the flux capacitor that added boost.
That's shocking, Doc. I really hope it works like you said. I get back to 2012.
Trust me, I'm a doctor.
By the way, I wonder if you were thinking about investing in a new company I heard about.
Oh yeah? Marty, you're back. How was the trip?
Oh, Doc, it was heavy, Doc, it was heavy.
Heavy? What do you mean? Has the Earth's gravitational pull changed?
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Here, just let me get this. Hello? No, I don't want any vacation rental in Florida, thank you.
What's that?
What, this? It's a Biff phone 4S. What are you talking about? It's the latest in technology.
This is a 4S, Doc. This is what phones should look
Great
like.
Scott, look at the thinness of that thing. Unbelievable.
But who designed that thing?
What? This was designed in BiffPad. We designed everything in BiffCAD on our BiffPad. I just reached out the latest news on the BiffNet.
The BiffNet?
Yeah, see there? There's the founder of BiffCAD there.
Wait a minute, but I know these guys. These are the guys we saw in the cafe in 1993. And this is the guy who invented SolidWorks.
SolidWorks? Great Scott, Marty, you must have disrupted the space-time continuum. You've got to go back and fix it.
The car's out of fuel.
We probably need something more sustainable, but I can't design that in BiffCAD. What are we going to do?
I've got it. We can design it in SolidWorks.
Awesome, let's get to work.